Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to recover deleted contacts from Android mobile phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Android mobile phone, and first of all, I'm going to open my contact application, and let's say that I accidentally deleted this contact. I'm going to delete it, for example. Alright, and if we want to recover deleted contact on our Android mobile phone, we have to go to the trash. You can click on these three lines on the top left and open it the trash. Okay, and this is the contact I have just deleted, and I'm going to recover this deleted contact. We can click on edit, and then you can choose the contact you want to recover like this, and then just click on restore. Okay, and now the contact has been restored, and I'm going to check it. Okay, this one. Alright guys, and that's how we can recover a deleted contact from Android mobile phone. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.